Okay, so this is the second part of lesson 7.1 with write a quadratic function matching the description. So the parent function is stretched vertically by a factor of 8, which means the value of a is equal to 8. Okay, that's this a. Translated 7 units down, so that means k equals -7. And then 3 units right, which means h is equal to 3. And then reflect over the x-axis, so that means 8 is negative. So following this formula for the transform quadratic function, the equation is y equals -8, open parentheses, x minus 3, which is the h value, and then down 7. And don't forget, this is a quadratic, so this must be square. So this is that equation or that function. So let's go on to the next problem. So this one, they give you the equation without graphing, identify the vertex, axis of symmetry, and transformations from the parent function. So first of all, the vertex is where x is 4, k is 0. There is no k value, so that means k has to be 0. The equation of the axis of symmetry is x equals h, which in this case is 4. Transformations, this graph went to the right 4 units. Okay, so I'll just write 4 units here. All right, the next part is write the equation in vertex form for each graph. So first we notice that the vertex went to the right 1, 2, and then up 1, 2. So then I'm going to write that down. Vertex is 2, 2. So this is h and this is k. Then by looking at the graph, if I go right 1, I'm going up 1. So that means up 1 over 1. And if I go right 2, up 1. If I go right 2, then I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, which is here. So we can see that a is equal to 1. The graph opens up. Therefore, the equation for this one is y equals x minus h, which is 2, squared plus k, which is 2. Okay, so that's the equation for this parabola. The last example. So for this one, first we notice that the vertex point here is x is -4. Okay, so -4, comma, y is 2. So again, this is h and this is k. Now let's find a. So a, we know it's negative because it's opening down, right? So then for this one here, if I go down 1, notice that I have to go halfway between, right? So if I go down, then I go halfway here. So the challenge here is you have to find the value of a, and it's kind of, I mean, you can try to treat it like a line. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. But if I choose from the vertex point and I want to get to the graph, so if I go left and I go down, notice I get here, so that's 1/2, right? So I go left 1, down 1/2, which means the value of a has to be -1/2 because the graph opens down. So with this value of a, value of h and k, I can write the equation. So y equals -1/2, that's the a value. X, this is minus, so plus 4 squared plus 2. And that's the equation of that graph. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the classroom. Bye-bye.